good morning, Glue Troopers. Max and Max's Models here. I hope you're all doing well. I was having my morning coffee, and several people had sent me a link to this video by World War Made Simple about the J-22, domestic made and designed and built Swedish fighter from World War II. And I might have heard of the airplane in passing, but I wasn't really familiar with it, and I decided to go ahead and watch the video. Interesting little airplane, sort of the F-5 freedom fighter of its day. Simple, straightforward, but reasonably effective. And they happened to mention in the video that kit models of the plane were made by a couple of companies, Cora Models and a few others, as well as a company called Marivox, and I hope I'm saying that correctly. And I was not familiar with this company, so I looked it up. Turns out, I believe they're still in business. They have an active website. They only make about 5 models, all of aircraft used by the Swedish Air Force. And the company is out of Sweden, so I'm thinking, okay, good on them for that. But is this all they do, or are they just part of a bigger company? I have no idea. So I couldn't find much information on them. But since it's an active website and had a Contact Us page, I decided to go ahead and pop off an email to them and say, hey guys, this is who I am, this is what I do. Could I get a little info on your company, do a history video? So we'll see if they get back with me or not. Be kind of cool if they did. But kudos on them for making some rather obscure aircraft from their home country. I think it's a beautiful thing. I'll let you know if I hear back from them. And now, although I have a lot going on today, got to get out to Hurricane Hobbies and get some more primer and get back to the styrene mines. One of the things I'd like to do today, if I get a chance, is start working on those 2 3D printed kits that Ken got me and making a build plan on those. All right, guys, that's really all I have for this morning. We'll talk at you later. And as always, model on.